Slow lift on the starboard side.
Watch the alignment. Bringing it in now.
Hold position, swing left slightly.
Affirmative. Left swing initiated.
Clear to lock. Engaging main servos. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Watching the rotation now.
Clear to proceed to Assembly Bay 3.
Final torque sequence initiated.
Reading green on the sensor.
Thumbs up. Junction secure. Final torque sequence initiated.
Reading green on the sensor.
Thumbs up. Junction secure.
Hook approaching coupling point. Stand by for alignment.
Alignment steady. Locking confirmed.
Bring it up steady. Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
A little to the left. Easy now. Rotate 15 degrees clockwise.
Slow down.
All right, she's secure. Take it up slow. Clear. Coming up.
Slow lift on the starboard side.
Watch the alignment. Bringing it in now.
Lock sequence engaged. Steady now. Head secured, Foreman. All clear.
Power levels holding steady at 90%.
Affirmative. All systems green. Ready for activation.
Module secured. Running diagnostics now.
Power levels stable. Systems report online.
Cuidado con el tubo. Levanten, levanten. Ya casi está. Alinéenlo ahora.
Clear the starboard section. Watch the energy flow. Locked in. Sequence initiated. We're clear on the alignment. Bring it in slowly.
Roger that. Firing the plasma conduit.
Connection successful. All green. Check the main servo bolts again, Sector Gamma.
Torque to specification, ma'am. All green.
Bring her in steady. Watch the alignment servos.
Almost there. Secure the main coupling.
Initiating light sequence alpha. Power levels increasing.
Holding steady at 80%. All systems green. Reroute auxiliary power to the main conduit.
We're showing a fluctuation in the matrix chamber.
Compensate and maintain the sequence.
Okay, tighten the connector on the blue line.
Securing the fastener now.
Clear the platform below.
Scan complete. All parameters green. Excellent. Powering up the optics now. Diagnostics on the left servo are clear.
Copy that. Moving to the chest plate alignment.
He's alive! By the Allspark. Look at the power core. He's alive! By the Allspark.
Look at the power core.
We're showing a level 12 energy surge in the primary conduits.
Reroute auxiliary power immediately.
It's stable. The matrix is fully charged.
All clear on level 7.
Power fluctuations stabilizing. Ready for full activation.
Diagnostics complete on the left servo.
Power levels optimal.
Ready for full system boot, Foreman.